My name is Kurt Poling with New Horizons Pressure Washing. Our customer service philosophy is based around educating customers on not only being able to afford a professional power washing service, but also the quality, professionalism that's behind it at an affordable price. As our slogan says, making your home look new with no pressure on you. New Horizons Pressure Washing has utilized a soft wash system whenever we started our business. And what it does is it allows us to get away from high pressure power washing that could damage wood, could damage siding, different things of that sort. And we rely on detergents. The detergents are biodegradable, they're eco-friendly, they're safe for the environment as well. If you have pets, there's no issues. Doesn't kill plant life, doesn't kill grass. What's in our detergent that we use, it's a secret sauce. Something we've actually been using that sets us personally apart. We not only use things that will take care of the mold and mildew, algae on your home or roof, but also we use a lifting agent that will get that bird droppings, whatever the case might be, on the side of your house as well. We actually do both residential and commercial, but we also do industrial complexes as well. Not only exterior, but interior of buildings. We do wash concrete, we do wash heavy equipment. We also are into the restaurant vent hood cleaning industry as well. Washing indoors opposed to washing outdoors can be a little more tricky. Indoors, you have to make for sure that you're protecting certain things that can or cannot get wet. So, we take that extra mile to whether it's put up berms that would divert water away from certain things that are inside, or simply covering things up with either tarps or plastic. Commercial side of the business is usually a job that is much larger than a residential job. Some of them are storefronts, strip malls, could be apartment complexes. In that case, there's a lot more moving around of different things to protect people's belongings, making for sure that they don't get wet. Our core values are simply taking care of the customer first and foremost, protecting their investment of the home or the property that we're washing. A lot of our business is repeat and referral. However, we do advertise, whether it's on the website or different literature that will go out into the mail, different sites and things of that sort. We actually started out of a Dodge Neon. I worked out of a Dodge Neon for 15 months, and then I was able to get myself into a Chevy S10. And once we started adding full-size pickup trucks to our fleet, which we now have 2, and that's the New Horizons look for us. In my opinion, what most people don't understand or take into consideration whenever they go to a local hardware store and buy a power washer is the damage that can be caused by using high pressure. Whether it's using the high pressure on siding that can blow holes in siding, or it can make marks into your wood. Now you have line marks, or simply if you run into a rock and it happens to hit a window. Making your home look new with no pressure on you.